What you can do, another thing that has the capability of doing is creating automations directly through Claude Cowork. So you don't have to create N8N automations or make.com automations for like simple tasks anymore, like daily briefings or let's say you have a meeting. You can literally ask Claude Cowork to create an automation or a daily task that it could perform for you. Another thing you can do is you can set Claude Cowork to create automations for you and schedule them. So you don't have to do a task. The one caveat to this is that the desktop has to be on and you can't close Claude Cowork. That's the caveat, which is a little bit of a downside in comparison to using OpenClaw, whereas it can just kind of run 24/7 without any application going on because you give it full access to your computer. Or you can run it on a VPS and it's technically always going to be running, which is a virtual private server. However, Claude Cowork is significantly more secure. So what we're going to do is we're going to request for Claude Cowork to create a daily task to go through my Notion to-do list and send me a Slack message with the top 5 most urgent tasks, which is a very, very simple way to demonstrate this. However, you can get it to do tasks such as if you know there's a weekly meeting and you record those meetings and you put it in a certain file and you need a weekly summary of those meetings, you can create an automation to do that. This is to demonstrate what you can and can't do. So you'll connect multiple connectors and multiple apps in order for it to get the job done and perform a task. You can see the benefit of using Claude Cowork because the use is significantly more user-friendly in comparison to Claude Code, where you need to use a IDE like Anti-Gravity or Cursor to build out the automations. You can just use the Claude application, and you could use the plugins and skills, which are a little bit easier for the average user to use and create in comparison to using the IDE, which is an independent development extension. Cool. So it creates the shortcut. It's running the skill. So let's set it at 9 a.m. and let's set DM to myself, all to-do lists, and there you go. So what this is going to do, so it has created a task list, and what it does is it's going to scroll through my Notion, send me a Slack message with the most urgent tasks that need to be done and completed, work that it can reduce, and how much more efficient it can make your workflow.